Hello, everybody. Welcome to Anth 102, Introduction to Cultural Anthropology, and I'm your instructor, Alexis Faust Roland. Feel free to call me Alexis. I am a very informal instructor, so since we will be engaging with one another quite a bit with our discussion boards in this class, you are free to call me Alexis. Please do not call me Miss Faust, Mrs. Faust. You can call me Professor Faust, you can call me Alexis. A little bit of background on myself. I actually started my academic career right here at MiraCosta College. This is where I discovered my love for anthropology, and I am so happy to be back here. After I went to MiraCosta College, I transferred to UC San Diego, where I majored in anthropology. So if you have any questions about the transfer process on the student end of things, or if you're curious about what student life is like at UCSD, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'd love to share that experience with you. When I was a student at UCSD, I attended the UCSD Archaeological Field School in Peru. So I have most of my archaeological experience in southern Peru, although I have worked with the California State Parks, so I have some local experience in archaeology as well. With that said, I am not a cultural anthropologist. While I love this discipline as a whole, I am a specialist in archaeology, so I will try to fit in archaeology wherever I can in this course. After I attended UC San Diego, I did my master's degree at the University of Chicago. So I went very, very far away for that, but it was a wonderful experience. Although they say that school is where fun goes to die, I wholeheartedly disagree. While I was a student at the University of Chicago, I worked at the Oriental Institute, which is one of the world's leading Near Eastern archaeology museums. It was a wonderful experience, and I was so lucky to do that. So if you ever want to talk about nerding out in museums with me, I would love to do that as well. Don't hesitate to post that on a discussion board at any point. We would love to discuss that. It is anthropology after all. So after I attended the University of Chicago, that brings me back here to MiraCosta College. So again, I am ecstatic to be teaching here. I am thrilled to be able to impress my love of anthropology upon you and maybe recruit some future anthropologists. So something that I do in my spare time, I love to knit. So I actually made this sweater myself. So you might see me doing some knitting here and there. Anyway, I now live in Vista with my husband, with my son, and now I should probably stop talking about myself and talk more about this course. So with this course, we are going to be getting very familiar with what cultural anthropology is. So we are going to be looking across cultures from an anthropological perspective, but something that may surprise us is that we will also be taking a deeper look into our own culture. And if you want to contact me moving forward, please don't hesitate to use the Canvas inbox to message me. Otherwise, you can email me at afaust@miracosta.edu. Whichever method you prefer is fine with me. If you have a non-pressing issue that is potentially helpful to other classmates, you can always post on our Q&A discussion board as well. So in that center, I will be answering any other questions that you do have, and it's a useful space for everybody because then we have the opportunity to, well, engage within everyone else's questions. If someone has a question, it's possible that another student would have the same question, hence the Q&A discussion board. Otherwise, if there are other questions, again, please use the Canvas inbox to message me, or you can email me. afaust@miracosta.edu is perfectly fine. So I am looking forward to having a wonderful semester with all of you. Well, I shouldn't say semester because we'll be working in the summer term, so our summer semester. I'll be seeing you.